Hello students, I'm back here with our next top 50 series for your competitive preparation part 6. You know well, let's focus now on some of the concept from chapter Human Eye and Colorful World and start our top 50 series. Here we go with our question number 1, that is related to number of diseases that affect our vision, such as myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, cataract, astigmatism, etc. The first one question is related to the defect of vision, myopia, and myopia is also called nearsightedness, right? So the first one question here, a person with dash has far point nearer than infinity. The myopic person, a person with myopia, has far point nearer than infinity. The second one question, in the myopic eye, the image is formed dash the retina, before the retina or after the retina? Obviously before the retina. If a person has excessive curvature and elongated eyeball, then he is probably suffering from myopia. That is the characteristics feature or the symptoms for myopic eyes. Next one is the dash is known as far-sightedness, that is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also known as far-sightedness. If the person has too long focal length and too small eyeball, then he is probably suffering from hypermetropia. Question number 6. The hypermetropian can be corrected by which lens? Which lens? That is of convex lens. Question number 7. Presbyopia is caused by gradual weakening of which type of muscle? That is related to your eye structure, that is ciliary muscle. Presbyopia is caused by gradual weakening of ciliary muscles in old age people. Next one question, question number 8. Dash lens is used to correct the presbyopia, that is bifocal lens. In a bifocal lens, the upper portion is made up of concave lens and lower portion constitute convex lens. One pair of eye can give vision to dash corneal blind pupil. One pair of eye can give vision to two corneal blind people, and this question is related to eye donation. So the next one question is, in a glass slab for a parallel reflecting surface, the emergent ray is dashed to the incident ray. Yeah, obviously parallel to the incident ray. Now we are going through this explanation. When a ray of light passes from air to glass slab in or as a rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal, and when it passes through glass slab to air, or that is from denser medium to rarer medium, it goes away from the normal, right? In conclusion, we will get incident ray parallel to emergent ray. So in glass slab, emergent ray and incident ray will be parallel. Question number 12. The glass prism has dash number of triangular face and dash number of rectangular face. There are two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. In three-dimensional shape, you have already studied about geometrical shape and three-dimensional shape. What is glass prism, how many faces, how many edges, and how many vertices are there. Question number 13. The angle between two lateral faces of a prism is called angle of prism. Question number 14. When the ciliary muscles are relaxed, then the lens become thin. When the ciliary muscle contract, then the focal length decreases. Question number 16. When the ciliary muscle contract, we are able to see dash object. Which one object? Nearby object. Ciliary muscle contract, we are able to see nearby object. This concept is associated with power of accommodation. In your book, it is already given. You can study there properly what is the concept for power of accommodation, which is completely based on ciliary muscles contraction and relaxation. Next one is question number 17. The condition in which the lens at the old age become milky is called cataract. Question number 18. Our eyes are positioned in the front of our heads and it reduces our field view but prevents the defects called stereopsis. Now, stereopsis is what? Stereopsis, stereo means solid and opsis means appearance. That is solid appearance, right? It refers to deviating eyes or a term that is most often used to refer to the perception of depth or a 3D structure obtained on the basis of visual information, right? Next one, astigmatation is cured by dash lens. Astigmatation is cured by rounded lens. Now, what is astigmatation or astigmatism? Astigmatism is type of refractive error in which eye doesn't focus light evenly on the retina. These result in blurred or distorted vision or blurred vision at any distance, right? Next one question is, into how many colors the white light gets splitted into? There are 7 colors in white light. The splitting of light into its constituent color is called dispersion of light, or splitting of light into its constituent 7 color is known as dispersion of light. Question number 22. The band of colored components of a light beam is called a spectrum. Who was the first person to obtain the spectrum of light? None other than Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was the first person to obtain the spectrum of light. Question number 24. Which color bends the least in the dispersion? That is red color. Which color in the spectrum bends the most in the spectrum? That is violet. Next one, 26. Sunlight is made of how many colors? 7 colors, because of sunlight is nothing but it is white light, which their constituent colors are 7 in numbers. Any light that gives spectrum similar to the sunlight referred as the white light. Question number 28. Dash is the natural spectrum appearing on the sky after a rain shower, that is rainbow, which constitutes 7 colors. Next one, hot air is dash denser than the cold air, that is less denser. That's why it is lighter and it goes up. Question number 30. The refractive index of cold air is dash than the hot air, that is higher than the hot air. Question number 31. The twinkling of stars is due to dash of starlight. Atmospheric refraction. Due to atmospheric refraction, there are number of phenomena takes place in our surrounding. Twinkling of stars is one of them. Question number 32. The star appears slightly dash than its actual position, that is higher. This is also due to the atmospheric refraction. The sun is visible to us after and before how many minutes of actual sunrise of sunset? That is of 2-minute difference. Question number 34. The earth's atmosphere is dash heterogeneous or homogeneous of minute particles, that is of heterogeneous particles. The phenomena of scattering of light by the colloidal particle is called Tyndall effect, which is given by scientist Tyndall. Next one is question number 36. Which color is refracted by very fine particles? Very fine particles, that is of blue color. Particles of larger size scatter which light? Red color. If the size of scattering of light is large enough, then the scattered light may appear, that is white light. White light is large enough, then the scattered light may appear. Obviously all the colors are their constituent. White light के ही constituent colors होते हैं. That's why white light is large enough, then the scattered light may appear. The red light has a wavelength about dash times greater than the blue light, that is of 1.8 times greater than the blue light. Dash light is least scattered by dust or mist, that is red color. Next one, question number 41. If there is no atmosphere, then the sky would have looked dark. If there is no atmosphere, this is the most important concept. If there is no atmosphere, then the sky would have looked dark. Simply. Question number 42. During sunrise and sunset, the color of sun appears red. Question number 43. At noon, sky appears white. Question number 44. Dash in dash color of light has largest wavelength, that is of red color's wavelength is largest. Blue color wavelength is shortest wavelength. Question number 46. During the noon, the light from the sun has to travel relatively shorter distance. Question number 47. The change in the focal length of eyes is caused by ciliary muscles. This is also related to power of accommodation. Question number 48. Dash is the dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of pupil, that is iris. Dash regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eyes, that is pupil. Question number 50 and last one question. Most of the refraction for the light occur at the outer surface of cornea. In your human eye structure, in your eye structure, most of the refraction for the light occur at the outer surface of cornea, that is your protecting layer of your eye. So test your understanding of preparation level watching this top 50 series regularly and increase your potential. Keep watching, keep enhancing, keep waiting for our next part 7. Till then, bye bye.